How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you what it's like to drive the Cayman GT4 RS on track from a first-person point of view. Finally, they've stuck a 911 GT3 motor into a Cayman, and the result is insane. Under the hood of this Cayman, well, actually, let's just go ahead and open this up right here because you can see the engine from the car's interior is a 4-liter flat six, making 493 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 happens in 3.2 seconds. Look at this gorgeous swan neck style rear wing for maximum downforce. We've also got magnesium wheels. This is a $15,000 option for weight savings. First time we've got center lock wheels on a Cayman. Taking a look at the interior, we've got gorgeous 918 Spyder carbon fiber bucket seats. The steering wheel itself has absolutely no buttons on it, just the paddles for the only transmission available, which is a 7-speed PDK that happens to look like a manual transmission. But easily the best part of the car is the engine is legitimately inside the vehicle. All right, let's take it out on track. All right, here we go. Behind the wheel of the new GT4 RS at Thermal Club. This is the perfect car for this track, honestly. Go ahead, shift it into manual mode, PDK Sport, exhaust on. Gotta hear that ridiculous 9,000 RPM red line, of course. Pulling out of pit lane now. This is such a perfect car for the track. It's actually not even funny. I just drove it 10 or 20 laps for the review. All right, let's get some heat into these tires. Big sweeping corner. Look at all the houses on the track. For this first part, I'm just going to let you listen to the 4RS because the sound's nuts. Redline, naturally aspirated flat six with those air intakes right behind my head. The auditory experience is like no other car. I mean, it literally feels like the engine is inside your brain. The PDK shifts lightning quick. Obviously, it would be nice if the 4RS came with the manual, but when I'm out here on the track, you can really focus on your braking points, your turn in, and unless you're a pro driver, there is no way, and even if you are a pro driver, that you're going to be as fast with the manual as the PDK. This thing is awesome. And the braking power is crazy. I mean, with 493 horsepower, this really is the perfect amount of power for the track. It's not too scary in a straight line. It's got so much grip in the corners. And because of that naturally aspirated power band, oh, it's so good. Weissach package. We've got carbon fiber for weight savings, some visual upgrades, and we also have those uber expensive magnesium wheels that reduce the unsprung mass. But it's just a handling masterpiece. It's so good. It is so good. And it really makes me wonder what the new GT3 RS is like, because this is honestly better to drive than a 9913 RS, which is nearly an insane thing to say about a Cayman, but it is true. The steering feel is phenomenal. There's so much communication. It's so easy to tell what the car wants to do and is doing. And unbelievably easy to place on the track. Next bit, no talking. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.